Yeah, sure.
We gotta try the tanks one at least once, just a little bit. Multi-tanks.
So what? So you can go to dev cam and just ruin my mode.
You know, if you want to host it.
No, it's fine. I semi-trust you.
Oh, look, pick your color. Sweet. All right, hey, Gmo, what will we rocking?
Yellow.
Yellow. All right, there we go. This is the most camouflage color. Oh, look at that.
Should have made it piss yellow.
Oh, we'll make it super bright yellow.
Pretty much is, yeah.
Yeah, this is what looks like comes out of you when you drink too much Mountain Dew.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know.
Okay, here we go. Oh.
It's glowing yellow.
Nice, dude. Look at this. So this is cool. I like the skybox. Skybox looks like it's just going out forever. Cool. Oh, there you are. Oh, I gotcha. Gotcha. One hit. Look at these. These Rick. Oh! Oh! Oh, you're coming around the other side. Oh! Patrick Jr., you killed yourself.
I sure did.
Oh, wait. What's that? What's that? Oh, my God. I need those. These looking really spicy. Oh, power up. Oh! How is that fair? That is really cool. I like the treads though. This is actually a really cool map. Oh, there's like a little health over here too. I'm gonna babysit this.
This reminds me of like a Wii game.
Right?
I don't.
Oh, uh-oh. This is a really loud game. It's like hard to hear what you guys are saying with all this. And you just gotta shoot the missiles in the mid-air to block their shot.
This needs to have more people.
Yeah, I think another would be fun. Oh, whoa, 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 there you are. Oh my God. Ah! Oh! Oof. Gotta get the health. Oh, power up, man. That healed me to full. Oh, there's a round thing at the top I just noticed. Oh no! Oh, it just spawns us right there. It was really intense. Oh shoot, here we go. Oh shoot. Oh, I got me.
Oh, you got hit by a residual bullet.
Alright. 30 seconds left. Dev cam! No! Dev cam! Run! 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 Oh my God! Oh, you killed yourself! Ah! Oh, I'm cornered. Oh, it was a pretty complete game. There you go, 40 points. Ah, gold. I'm curious to see what it's like with a bunch of players, because like I would spawn literally like right in front of you. That was pretty good.